spending time today with the Lexus RCF, toying around out here at Gingerman Raceway out in South Haven, Michigan. And boy, just listen to that sound. 5-liter V8. It's like a luxury Mustang in here. Been having a bunch of fun tossing it around. It's a very approachable car and really has an incredible amount of bandwidth. Brakes have been holding up well all day. We're really pushing it. Taking it a little bit easier here. Got the air conditioning on. Close up the windows so you guys can hear all right. I've been spending a lot of time with this car and focus here. Let's see if we can walk away from this S2000. Transmission does feel a few weird shifts. I don't know if it's getting warm, but kind of disappointed I was in that gear. I could be manual shifting it, but when I'm dealing with the camera and the track, it's tough to throw in a third element. And this automatic really does quite well with knowing where to be in Sport Plus mode, especially once you start getting out on the track and show it that you mean business, that you're really there to ring it out. Now get past the line here and we're gonna let this S2000 go by. Turn it into normal sport mode here. So it's good to do a cool down lap afterward, let the brakes cool, let the tires cool, let the engine cool down a little bit. And it's fun just being out on a racetrack. If any of you are interested in getting into track days or just taking your personal vehicle out on the track, I highly recommend sign up for a novice track day. There's not only is there no shame in being in a novice group, something entry-level beginner, but it's just so much more comfortable. You can learn and just kind of take your time and enjoy being out here. I mean, I'm going probably a quarter of what this car is capable of right now, just putzing around, and it's still fun. I mean, I'm going 60 miles per hour on this corner. I'm kind of being pushed into the side of the seat. I'm barely even braking, just kind of coasting in, applying a little bit of brake. You know, the RCF is a car that I think is often forgotten about. It's sort of in this weird, like, people may be like, oh yeah, I remember that Lexus makes that. But you know, they make all the way down to the standard RC350. Just a little V6 engine, and then, in fact, I think they actually have the 2-liter turbo, like an RC200H or something like that. This RCF rocking its big 4.6 liter V8, 475 horsepower, that great exhaust note. Part of me's having trouble coming up with stuff to say just because I'm enjoying being out here so much. It's an absolute treat. Thank you so much to Lexus for letting us take this car out here and thrash it around, burn up the brakes and the tires. Gotta open the window here to let this person know I'm getting off the track. And this is obviously a much more expensive car compared to what you can get with a similar performance. I mean, you're definitely spending a lot more, but you're getting kind of a huge package. You're getting the comfort, you're getting the great audio system, you're getting Lexus reliability. I mean, there's a lot that you get that's on top of just the engine and the transmission and the raw times for a car like this. And it's so unique looking too. That's one of the things I love about it, is you just look at this car and you're like, wow, you know? It's got this bright yellow paint scheme, and it's just really really kind of a special thing going on here. So we're gonna back it in here. Take a quick hop out and look. So it's really an incredible track machine. I mean, Lexus did such a great job at making sure this is something that can go lap after lap after lap, and then you can drive it home. You can drive it to the country club. It's just a ton of bandwidth with this vehicle. And if this isn't quite enough for you, if you won't plan on doing more tracking, there's always the track edition. That's gonna be even a little lighter, a little bit stiffer, a little bit more raw, and have a little bit more of the emphasis on days like this. Awesome. Thanks again to Lexus letting us take this car out here. Thanks a lot everyone for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.